Are you waiting for the package you just ordered?
Maybe.
It just arrived. I even took the day off today because I knew it was coming. Frankly, what I took the day off for was because I didn't want it to get left on the porch and have this expensive, frankly, piece of technology left all by itself. And I'm glad that I did because, God help UPS, he just left it. So, you know, when you see something like this and you know what day it is, maybe you don't know what day it is, but the day is today, and that day is the release of the iPhone 11. And I went all out because I waited to upgrade my phone from the iPhone 8 Plus, which is what you see here, and I didn't upgrade to the iPhone 10. I waited because, frankly, when you look at the specs on the iPhone 10, they really weren't that much better than the iPhone 8 Plus, so I didn't even bother to get the 10, but because of the upgraded camera, the speed, everything, the timing just worked out, and we got the iPhone 11. We didn't bother with the regular, this is interesting. We didn't bother with the standard iPhone 11. We went all out and we got the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the top of the line, and we also went with the green color, which is the color that's exclusive to the iPhone 11 Pro. So I could talk all day about everything that I've read and how excited I am for this, and if you know, I'm a little bit at a loss for words on this unboxing, it's because I'm just really excited. The time has come, and let's just find out what's inside. You know, you already know if you've read about it what's inside. This is what's inside. The phone is inside, and all the goodies that you can read about, but we're gonna look at what they look like here. Just looks gorgeous. It's got a matte finish as opposed to the shiny finish. I'm gonna take, actually it doesn't look like there's anything covering the back right now. Oh yeah, there is. There's something covering the entire phone. We're just gonna take it off. You know what? There isn't anything covering the back. It's just this matte finish. And you know, I knew it had a matte finish, but I really like it. I'm a person that has, you know, oily hands all the time. So I leave a lot of fingerprints, but this matte finish is gonna work out really nice. And besides the fact, we're gonna put a case on it anyway to protect it. So there it is. Just for comparison's sake, this is my iPhone 8 Plus, and this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So side by side next to the iPhone 8 Plus, it virtually looks the same size. It looks like the 11 Pro Max might be a little bit shorter in height, but width-wise, essentially it's the same, and depth-wise, it kind of looks like it's pretty much the same. So I'm not going to turn it on because this is an unboxing. This isn't a video setup, so we'll get to that maybe later. But I want this really solely to be an unboxing video. It comes with this adapter, which I think is a fast charge adapter. I don't know how much faster it is. Obviously, I'll look it up and it'll be here on the screen for you. It comes with a set of standard pods, obviously. Also, only the lightning port here. There's no more headphone jacks, so this is a lightning adapter set of earpods. And then the charge cord.
A few inches later.
So I was just getting ready to charge the phone up, and I wanted to throw this in there because I found this interesting. Now, I think this is a USB-C port, and obviously it'll be up on the screen for you. Didn't even realize that this isn't your standard USB plug-in here to the charger, and I don't know if that has to do with the fact that that this is a fast charger, but it's a USB, I think, C. It just looks like, kind of like the adapter for the GoPro to Lightning. So that is something you want to keep in mind, but this is something new that even though I'd read quite a bit about the iPhone 11 Pro because I knew I was getting one, I must have just glossed over the fact that this charging cable doesn't have a USB cable at the end. So anyway, fun fact.
We now return to your regular programming.
So we're gonna keep it to an unboxing, but what we will do, because the big deal here about this phone is the triple camera in the back. So what I want to do is get some side-by-side comparison video so that you guys can see the difference which, like I said before, the difference in camera between the iPhone 8 Plus and the iPhone 10 wasn't that huge, but the difference between these two cameras is going to be considerable. So I'm excited about this upgrade. I'm excited about what this means as far as video that we can take with this camera and pictures, as far as, you know, Instagram and all that other stuff, good stuff goes. So make sure, if you haven't already, check out my Instagram page, my Facebook page, if you're on social media, because there'll definitely be more pictures and video examples there. So just to get everything organized here so we can see exactly what comes in the box. And, you know, this is kind of a bonus because I love stickers and decals. Believe it or not, growing up I had a sticker collection. So yeah, that's how I feel about stickers and decals. Nerd! So this is what you get. You've got the pods, the charger with the lightning cable, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and some stickers. So we'll go straight to the comparison now. Some image comparisons and some video comparisons. I know that they give you all of these things straight from Apple, but I like to do these comparisons because, you know, this is real world, real life comparisons, regular Joe comparisons, and we're gonna bring those to you right now.